got done doing an HDMI, cleaning it up, putting it back together. Add a little something extra on there from Rad Dad. Your computer's done. We do custom everything. Anything you can think of that you want customized. Your laptop, your PS4, your PS5, your desktop. Shit, your car, your windows, your house, your clothes, you name it. I can customize it. Anyways, let's see how this comes off. We did something. I gave him a bunch of pictures. I was gonna do a whole collage on one side, and but he said he only wanted these. So what the customer wants, the customer gets. And in this case, I think he's almost kind of right. Less is more sometimes, you know? Less is more. The strong grip is too strong. These thinner ones, it's too much. Too much, man. That, and if it's sitting on there forever. See, when it's pulling the sticker back up with it, you use the wrong shit. I used what I had left over, but this is a porous surface also, which makes it so the sticker don't, or the decal, sorry. Because we use decals, not stickers. Oh my Lanta. This web is gonna piss me out. My cutter was, and how good it did on really hard jobs and how much pressure I needed versus didn't. Also, what grip to use. This strong grip is fucking pointless for this. This is never coming off. Never. But never give up, right? Dream big. Progress, not perfection. Which is what I was trying to get the kid to get on there, but you know, it's cool. He wanted what he wanted, so you know, less is more. It's cool. Yeah.